What's up, everybody? So today I decided I was going to do a quick video on how to put the microphone in your helmet. So I already did the dead cat. I did a quick video of that out at my wife's place of employment, and I'll just show that to you right. Okay, so basically what's happening here is we have our microphone. I got this one from Best Buy. It's like $20. I really like it. It's got the little lapel thing on it. So anyways, you want your dead cat material right here. Fuzzy. It's cheap. You don't need it. But you're going to put your microphone in here, and you're just going to wrap it around. Now, you're going to want to wrap it loosely. You don't want it too tight. Otherwise, the wind's just going to get through it. But right here, I'm going to staple it together just to close it. Microphone fell out, but that's alright. Alright, so now we got our little pocket. Put that microphone back in it. Yep. And now we're going to staple the other side. So, I got to get leaned in. There we go. Alright. So, we're going to staple that in. And now we've got our little pocket. Now, like I said, we want to keep it loose. We got room on both ends, right? So you're going to close it up. It doesn't matter how you close it up. I just used a stapler because it was convenient and it was there. You can use hot glue. You can use a needle and thread if you want to make it look better. Nobody's going to see it if it's inside the helmet, so it really doesn't matter. So we'll close in the other side, right like that. Yep. Staple it. Now we got a little hole right here. Focus the camera. There we go. We got a little hole right here that we need to staple. And bam. So it doesn't need to be awesome. It doesn't need to be perfect, but that'll work right there. That'll keep the wind off the microphone. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and put this in there. And a lot of times you can use the GoPro adapter to put in a microphone, and I guess this would work as well. It doesn't matter. I use an external like this. That's what I'm doing my stuff with. And the reason I do an external is that way if I want to put my GoPro somewhere and still have some quality audio, then I can walk around. I can put my GoPro over here and I can go walk around while still talking and doing my stuff. So anyways, we're going to go ahead and jump into it. So we got our dead cat on our microphone. So what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and we're going to take this cheek pad out. Like so. Okay, it's just got Velcro and snaps in it. Like that. It's looking like I'm in the market for a new helmet. Stuff is just coming off that probably shouldn't come off. Look at that. That's not good. That's probably not a good thing. This helmet, I don't know how old this helmet is. I actually got it when I bought my bike. So, anyways. So we got the cheek pad out, alright? So now you got all this room, you can run wires and do what you want. So I'm going to put, I don't know if y'all can hear my daughter, I'm going to put my microphone right about in this area. Okay, so the cheek pad, you can see the cheek pad right here, I want it to fit down in there like that, alright? So y'all saw how the microphone was. It had a microphone on each, it had left and right. So this is where I want it. It's about like that right there. Right? Okay. So since this is already coming apart, I'm gonna go ahead and stick my microphone wire down like that. And I can bring this in like this. Okay? So I've got a lot of extra microphone. So this is good. This means it can go down into my pocket, in my jacket, or wherever I want it. So, heck, you know what? We probably didn't even have to take that out. But I've seen a lot of people route it. They'll put it in here and they'll like glue it or something on here. I don't want anything permanent. I want to be able to take it out. So whenever I do get a new helmet, it's not like, oh, sorry for you, sir. But we could route it down this way a little bit, and then through here a little bit. There we go. And that way, it'll be in the back of the helmet, coming out the back, and it won't get tangled up by my arms or anything else. That way it can go down my back, and we're good to go. So let's put the cheek pad back in. course, I'm gonna need that. Okay, so we're gonna line this up like that. See, that's about where I want it. And then we put this stuff back in like so. And it's Velcro. I don't know if you can hear the Velcro. So there's that. So now I can push this in right there. So I got 1 snap, 2 snaps, 3 snaps. I think there's another. Yep, there's the other one. Yep, 4 snaps. Bam. So now I can tuck this in a little more. And there it is. Tuck it in so it's not flopping everywhere. Now you can't see it. You don't know what it is. But it's right there. You got dead cat on both microphones. That way it doesn't interfere with this. You still have your air coming through here. And everything's good. If you liked it, if you found it informational, give me a thumbs up. I want the likes, I want the subscriptions, and I want the shares. So I appreciate y'all. See you later.